Welcome to IPSR, where real learning starts. The history of IPSR. IPSR was established on August 10, 1985 as Philippine Embassy School in Riyadh, or PESR. The school was founded to accommodate the children of the Philippine Embassy officials and staff. Later on, PESR started to accept the children of the overseas Filipino workers in Riyadh. IPSR, a Filipino community school, is an institution which is self-liquidating and non-profit. It is recognized by the Philippine government, the Department of Education, Culture and Sports under number 002. 1986, Batas 2706 on November 18, 1986. The Ministry of Education, Directorate of Foreign Education, Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, granted its license under Note Number 2, 1828.
IPSR's mission. IPSR believes that the ultimate goal of education is toward self-realization of the optimum development of a student's potential, especially in the pursuit of academic excellence. Thus, IPSR aims to produce intellectually competent, values-oriented, globally competitive, future-effective leaders and productive members of the land.
IPSR's vision. IPSR envisioned to be the finest institution of learning that will mold every student to be highly competitive, equipped with proper values, very efficient, and well-rounded graduates ready to face the challenges of time.
Here in IPSR,
giving the best facilities from the classroom, quadrangle, library, science laboratory, clinic, multipurpose hall, TLE room,
Welcome to our computer laboratory
with our new computers
and easy to access in internet.
and most of all, the loving community of the faculty and staff and students working and studying in IPSR.
One of the special services of IPSR is that they have IPSR have also different school club organizations. One of them is the Math Circle Club. In this, they will enhance your knowledge about mathematics.
And also they have Gavel Club, which teaches the students how to make their speech come to life. Gavel Club. And also for the Muslim, there is Rise Up Club, which teaches them how to be religious.
One of the major organizations of IPSR is the Student Council Organization, or SCO. They are the responsible for the projects of the school. The second major organization in IPSR is the campuses. They are responsible for the news inside the campus.
International Philippine School in Riyadh. Better learning.